Have you ever wondered if AI is going to take your job? It's a huge question, and today, we're going to look at it from a different angle. Instead of a threat, what if AI is the biggest opportunity for developing countries in a generation? We're talking about places like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and Nigeria. Forget the sci-fi stuff. The AI revolution is already happening right now, on the ground, creating jobs and changing lives in incredible ways. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the digital gig economy. Before, if you were a talented writer in Lahore or a graphic designer in Dhaka, finding international clients was a real struggle. Now, AI-powered freelance platforms are a game. These platforms use smart algorithms to match your skills with jobs from all over the world. It's not just about finding work, it's about finding the right work. Thus, AI helps with everything from optimizing your profile to stand out, to even suggesting fair prices for your services. This has opened up a global marketplace, allowing people to earn a stable income right from their homes, breaking down geographical barriers like never before. Next, consider customer support. We've all interacted with chatbots, right? While some are still a bit clumsy, they're getting incredibly smart. For businesses in places like Nigeria, hiring a massive call center team is expensive, but an AI chatbot can handle thousands of customer queries at once, 24/7. This doesn't just mean fewer jobs for humans. It means small businesses can now afford to offer world-class customer service, allowing them to compete with giant corporations. Plus, this creates new jobs. We now need people to design, train, and manage these AI systems, jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago. It's about working with asterisk. AI not against it. Now, let's get out of the city and into the fields. Agriculture is the backbone of many economies, like in India, where millions depend on it. But farming is risky, with unpredictable weather and pests. This is where AI is becoming a farmer's best friend. Imagine drones flying over a field, using AI-powered cameras to spot diseases in crops before a human eye ever could. There are AI apps that analyze soil data and weather forecasts to tell farmers the perfect time to plant and how much water to use. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. These tools are helping farmers increase their crop yields, reduce waste, and ultimately, make more money to support their families. It's technology empowering tradition. Healthcare is another area seeing a massive AI-driven transformation. In many rural areas of Pakistan or Bangladesh, access to a doctor, let alone a specialist, can be a huge challenge. But AI is bridging that gap. Telemedicine platforms, powered BI, can help diagnose common illnesses from a simple photo. An AI can analyze an X-ray or a scan and flag potential issues for a doctor to review, saving precious time. This means better, faster, and more affordable healthcare for people who need it most. It also creates a demand for healthcare workers who are trained to use these new digital tools, upgrading the skills and value of the entire medical profession. So, is AI a job killer? The picture is much more complex and, frankly, more optimistic than that. In developing nations, AI is not just about replacing old jobs. It's about creating an entirely new categories of work. It's about giving small businesses the power to compete globally. It's making farming more efficient, healthcare more accessible, and opening up the digital economy to millions. The key is adaptation and learning. The skills that are in demand are changing, and the people and countries that embrace this change will be the ones who benefit the most. The AI revolution isn't just coming, it's here, and it's full of opportunity. What do you think? How have you seen AI impact jobs in your community? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into our changing world. See ya in the next one.